There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Williams. There is a bird on your head. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Then I have good news. The eggs are gone? Do I have an egg on my head? They have hatched. 3. Hatching? Eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Then I have good news. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. No problem. It worked. Bye. The eggs are gone. Eggs are hatching. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? Do you know they are lovebirds? 1, 2. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome.